everybody, it's Orvin. Today we're gonna be doing a review on this thing for folding your clothes. It is like a life hack, obviously. It's called, it doesn't have a name. Children Discount Clothing Board. Doesn't really have a name because it's for kids. But if you can make your way, you can use it for larger sizes of clothes too. So in Germany, it's called Rabatt für Kinderkleidung Board. And so it's easy to do. You just put this here. Well, my clothes are big, so you know it won't fit that much. So you put this here, over here, just like you will do for the kids. Well, actually, this is a large size. This is just for kids, but you know we'll just give it a try. So we do this, we fold that, and if it doesn't fit, we just arrange it here, and then you do this with the other side, and then you arrange it here again. And after that, you fold it here, and then use this last part to fold it here. And the code here, make sure that the color are staying on this side, and make them very aligned to each other. We swing this one first, we close this one off. Yeah. See, as we can see, it actually does its job. And we put this here. We do this with this one. And then you align it here. Actually does the job, I'm pretty amazed. And here, and if folded, and if it starts to hit this area, you use this, and you just shove it in, just like that. It's simple as that. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to order this, my mom might put it in the link in the description. So thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.